wanted to give you guys an update about school. So I am loving biology. It's hard, but I love it. I love it because I'm getting to do like sciencey stuff, and I'm getting to like look at stuff through microscopes and all of this really awesome fun stuff. We've gotten to look at like zooplankton and phytoplankton, and we've gotten to look at little zooplankton through a microscope and see how cool they are. And even though they're so microscopic, once you get them underneath a microscope, you can see so much detail in them. It's insanely cool. Dissections are coming up, field lab trips are coming up. I'm excited to be able to dissect something. I'm working on the midterm as we speak for child development. I'm working on getting that done, which that is pretty easy. The thing that I'm mostly worried about now is just the next test for biology, which by the time that you see this, that will already have been passed. Okay, y'all, so I have a slight dilemma. I have a radio that's in my room, and it's not working right now. I was trying to look at the wall, and there is something plugged in, but I think that's the light. So I need to find where the end of the radio is, and then try to plug it in. Alrighty, so here's an update about biology. I am absolutely loving that class. It's super fun, and there's just a few things about that class that are a little bit frustrating. Alright, so I've had some classmates that have asked the teacher questions because they were concerned about something, didn't understand something, and it seemed like she kind of got a little bit upset at them for asking a question. They were like, well, where are your directions? Read the directions. And if you're a teacher, please do not make your students feel stupid, and don't make them feel dumb. If they have a question, it's because they didn't understand something, even with the directions that were given, if they read the directions. So if your student still has a question, please just answer it with a kind heart, because it's not fun for a student to have a teacher that's like that. Because for one, it makes them feel less than themselves, and two, it makes them not want to ask questions anymore because of that first response. By the way, if you want to know what fall looks like where I'm from, here's what it looks like. A bunch of these little leaves all over the ground. That's what fall looks like here. So anyway, I'm gonna get some cool B-roll shots and do some studying and stuff like that.